Welcome to this guided practice in mindful walking. Mindful walking is an ideal practice if you want the benefits of meditation, but you find it difficult to sit still for a long period of time. Or if you're one that finds your mind constantly jumping around when you try to meditate. By engaging the body in movement, we give the mind a physical anchor to focus. It helps us integrate mindfulness into our active lives, teaching us how to stay centered, even when we're in motion. So for now, find a space where you could walk back and forth comfortably for maybe 10 to 15 spaces. This could be an outdoor area like a courtyard or patio, or at a park, or indoor like a living room or hallway. First, let's stand still for a moment before we begin. Feel your weight distributed evenly between your left and right feet. Notice your posture. Relax your shoulders. Elevate the crown of your head so that it's reaching towards the sky as if there were a string pulling you upwards. Let your arms hang naturally at your sides. Let's take a couple of cleansing breaths to really arrive. Take a good deep breath in. Let it fill your lungs, and as you exhale, let yourself sigh and sink your feet lower into the ground, feeling the gravity. Again, take a deep breath in. Let the oxygen fill your lungs, and exhale, feeling more connected to the ground. Now begin to walk at a pace that is slightly slower than your usual walk. As you take your first step, pay close attention to the mechanics of the movement. Notice the lifting of the heel, the shifting of the weight, the swinging of the leg, the placement of the foot back down, starting with the heel, rolling towards the toes. Continue this slow, mindful walk. Lifting, shifting, and placing. Really stay with that physical sensation of the soles of your feet meeting the earth. And continue walking mindfully, one step and then another. When you reach, of course, the end of your path, you stop for a moment, experience the stillness, and then mindfully turn around, noticing the complex shifting of weight required just to turn. As you walk some more, if your mind wanders to a to-do list or a past conversation, guide your focus back to the bottom of your feet as you take each step. Expand your awareness now, while continuing the gentle rhythm of your steps. Notice the air moving against your skin. Notice any movement or sensation of your clothing against your body as you continue with each step. Make note of how different parts of your body shift through each aspect of your stride. How your arm moves to compensate for the weight as you shift from one foot to another. And how the movements create a ripple motion of sensations of the frame of your body. continue just noticing this. And now shift to notice the sounds around you. You are moving through the world fully awake. Notice any little sounds in your home, whether it might be a fan or creaking or an appliance. If you're outside, notice the rustle of leaves or the sounds of a bird or a bug or the sounds of cars. Just notice those. There's nothing else to do but just allow those sounds to come to you. Really get into it. Let yourself just be with these sounds. There's nothing to do, nothing to judge or think about or worry about, just to hear the sounds, perhaps as if for the first time. And now your attention shifts again to your feet and your stride, your heel, your sole, your toes, the way they lift, the muscles in your calves and thighs, working in harmony to support you. If you feel impatient, like you should be going faster, just notice that feeling. It's only a thought. Come back to the sensations of the ground. No need to hurry. This is time just for you. As you continue to walk, imagine that with every step, you are calmer and more present. Check in with your breath. Is it deep and calm? Is it shallow? Just notice. And now beginning to bring your walk back to a place to finish. Find a place where you can stop and stand still. And now just notice your posture, the positioning of your head and your shoulders, the sensations in your thighs and calves and feet. Do you notice any difference in your body now to when we started? Do you feel more heavy, more stable, more present? Take a final deep breath in, and when you exhale, let everything go. You can carry this sense of walking presence into the rest of your day. Remember, you don't have to sit still in a posed position of meditation to be mindful and present. Thank you for meditating with me, and I bow to the divine in you. Peace be with you.